Good morning, dear friends. In today's video, I will discuss the illustration of Newton's method, how we have to find Newton's method differences. Firstly, I will explain the concept of Newton's method for finite or advancing differences. Actually, this method is applied when independent variable x advances by equal differences and all the value of dependent variables corresponding to all x are also given. The Newton's formula for interpolation is yx is equal to y naught plus x delta 0 naught plus xx minus 1 over 2 delta 0 square plus xx minus 1 x minus 2 over 3 delta 0 raised power 3 and so on. So this is the formula of Newton's methods for interpolation. I will explain one illustration by this method. The concept is, illustration statement is use Newton's formula and interpolate the migration from town A in the year 1963 from the following data. Year is given 1962, 64, 66, 68, 70 and migration from town A is given 233, 391, 582, 799 and 1035. So we have to calculate the value of 1963. So how we will calculate? Year is given 1962, 64, 66, 68, 90, 70. And migration from town A is given 233, 391, 582, 799, 1035. This is already mentioned in the statement. I have just denoted this as a y naught. This is y1, this is y2, y3 and y4. So firstly, I will calculate the finite differences. First difference is how I have to calculate delta 01. How I have to calculate delta 01, that is the y1 minus y0 difference. That means it will be 158. I have to write just in middle of y0 and y1. Then delta 1. This is equal to 191. It is calculated by y2 minus y1. That means 582 minus 391, that is 191. I have to keep in the middle of these two values. The next is delta 2 power 1. This is y3 minus y2. That means 799 minus 582, I am getting 217. Then delta 3 raised power 1, that is y4 minus y3, that means 1035 minus 799, that is 236. This is the first differences. Now second difference is how I have to calculate. That means delta 1 raised power 1 minus delta 0 raised power 1. That means 191 minus 158. The answer will be 33. I have just kept in the middle of these delta 0 raised power 2. Now delta 1 raised power 2, how I have to calculate? That is the 217 minus 191. That is 26. The next is delta 2 raised power 2. I will calculate, I have calculated just like 236 minus 217, 19. Now third difference is I will calculate by delta 1 raised power 2 minus delta 0 raised power 2. That is 26 minus 33. I am getting minus 7. The next is delta 1 raised power 3. That is 19 minus 26. I am again getting minus 7. Now fourth difference is that is delta 0 raised power 4 is equal to minus 7 minus plus, that means 0. I am getting this one. So it is given I have just calculated up to delta 0 raised power 4. Now I want to calculate for the year 1963. So how I will calculate x? X is equal to 1963 minus 1962 divided by 2, that is 1 by 2 is 0.5. Now Newton's formula is yx is equal to y0 plus x delta 01 plus xx minus 1 over 2 delta 0 raised power 2 and xx minus 1 x minus 2 over 3 delta 0 raised power 3, then x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 over 4 delta 0 raised power 4 and so on. So इसमें just I have get x is given 1963. 1963, that means I have taken 1963. Y0. Y0, if we are seeing our statement, Y0 is given, that is 233. I have just put here. Then next is x. X I have already calculated, that is 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 by 2. Then delta 0 2. Delta 0 raised power 2. This is this is 158. But 158 is I am getting here this one, delta 0 1. That is 158. Next is x minus 1 over 2. X is again 0.5, 0.5 minus 1, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 minus 1 over 2, delta 0 square. Delta 0 is 33. 33 I have already calculated. I have put here all the values. That means all the values I have calculated, I have just substituted all these values in this formula. So after simplification, I will get here 233 plus 79 minus 4.125 and so on. Then I am getting 307.4375. This is for year 1963. That means interpolation value for 1963 is 307. So this is the illustration by Newton's method. That means only in this question, we have to firstly calculate the value of x. Then we have to calculate the delta. So after calculating deltas, that means differences, we will calculate the value of x. That means which year we want to find. That means 1963 and the initial years, 1962 divided by 2, I have calculated 0.5. Then I have used all these values in the given Newton's formula for interpolation. So I got this value. So this is the illustration of Newton's formula for interpolation. Thanks dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with others also.